We've been coming to this place for the last 40 years, and we've never gone to the center of the island. And by the way, did I mention that the snow is pretty deep? Today we're gonna get out and see what we can find. There's a grove of trees back there, and we're gonna try to find it. So let's go for a little adventure. Good job. There's the property marker. I wonder if we should follow that. Right. Would they consider this to be backcountry? Get my chainsaw out and make this a trail next year. Left or right? That clearing looks a little better if we go left though. Oh, snow on my back. There we go. Yep, just getting snow out. Although this is beautiful. There goes a shoe. I knew that thing felt loose. We'll keep going until we get tired. Coming out will be easier. Good workout. So far, the terrain has been pretty rugged. Snow's been at least knee deep. We found this nice little beer stand. That's kind of fun. We're just over halfway there, and we'll finish up at the tree grove, so we'll see you there. Well, we went from this point all the way here. All right, we're gonna have to go that way and up that way. Oh, I do love when she goes ahead. This makes the trail so much nicer. This is difficult with snowshoes. It'd be downright impossible without. Okay, so all we have to do is go down this hill.
Yeah. I was wondering
As far as we're gonna go to get to the tree grove on the other side of the island. So it's actually just right here. If we look at it, But the challenge from this point is that we've got this huge drop off. We are on top of a hill right now. That would be a lot of climbing down and then climbing back up. And so we're gonna call this good. So that's it. We're way on the other side of the island and it feels awesome to have gotten this far. It's so much fun, so much work, but definitely worth it. So we're gonna join you guys back at the cabin. So the cool thing about snowshoeing out here is nobody else is around. The trails are completely ours to cut and decide which direction we go. This is real backcountry snowshoeing and it is amazing. Also, if there are two people snowshoeing, it's nice to trade off. So one person breaks the trail and the other can kind of take a rest walking behind. That's what Darcy and I did on the way out to our walking site on the hike out, and it worked pretty well. The other trick is when you're walking down a hill, lean back on the back of your foot and kind of let the snowshoe skate out in front of you like that. Hey, there you are. We're going to sign off right here and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.